Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine and you are enjoying the online teaching and you are learning more and more from this online teaching and you are enjoying a lot. Children, today I am starting from the leftover part of the exercise of lesson 2 Chuk Chuk. I hope you have done the work which I gave you in the PDF, the exercise of lesson number 2, part A1. Now we are going to start part B1, in which you are to arrange or you are to write the letters or the words as per their alphabetical order. So let's move to the first part, children. See, the first part is L, C, T, R, F. Here you are to write the letters as per the alphabetical sequence. So from these all, which letter comes on first number? A, B, C. See here, A, B is not there, C is there. So write C. So first of all you will write C. Then after C, L, T, R, F. You will write F. C. Then second number F, because from these all F come first. Now leave C and F. Look at L, T, R. So which letter comes first in the alphabetical order? From L, T, R, L. Okay. Now from T and R come first, then T. So what will be your sequence as per the order? C, F, L, R, T. Okay. So you have to write it. I will send you the PDF also. You can see from there also, but you have to understand how to do this. Now come on, second number. U, M, Z, W, N. So here we have to find out the letter which comes first in the alphabetical order. So here, see this, children, this is not the new topic for you. It was your first chapter of grammar. In first chapter, it was told you how to find out the proper sequence of letters. So here we will see, first of all we will write M, then after M you will write N. Okay, then after N what will come? U. See, like this you have to write. Then from Z and W you will write W, then last Z. Okay, so now you have to write it like this. Now come on, number 3. Here letters are not given, words are given. See, all words are starting from B, A, B, A, B, A. So leave B, A and come to next letter. It is T, it is G, it is C, and it is S, and last is L. So here we will just put a dash under this letter T, G, C, S and L. So first of all we will write back, because C comes first from these all, B-A-C-K, back, and after that we will write C. B-A-T, bat. Here what is there? T, then G, S, L. So here you will write G. G is coming. G will come first, so you will write bag. So first back, then bag, then you will write bald, B-A-L-D, B-A-L-D. Then next is bat. Bat or bash, children? S comes first or T comes first? S comes first, so we will write here bash, and then last bat. See, it is a three letter word, but it has a third letter which will come in last, means after S. So here we will write bat at last. Clear? So what is our sequence? Back, bag, bald, then bash, and then last bat. Now come here. See, S, B, W, P, F. So we will write here first of all boat, B-O-U-G-H-T, boat, because B comes first. Then B after S, W, P, F. We will write for goat. Okay, because F will come from these all. Next is S, W, P. P will come first, pounced, then spoke, and last waited. So you have to copy them from PDF. Fine. So like this 5 and 6 also we will do. You have to do from PDF. I will send you. I have told you how to do. You will underline the letter first, then you will find. Next is B2. Come on, B2 part. Circle the word within bracket which belongs to the group of given words. See, first of all, here apple, mango, banana. What are these? These are milk, type of milk? No. See, these are fruits now. Or these are type of cakes. These are fruits, so we will circle fruit from here because they belongs to this one. They all will be fruits then if we include orange also. Come now. Rita, Leela, Anna. These all names are of girls. Now you have to find the similar names. Sunil, Ali. These names are of boy. So here you will circle Mohini. Mohini is the name of a girl. Number 3, eagle, sparrow, duck. These all are birds which can fly. See now here, rabbit, lion. They cannot fly and they are not birds. So we will put a circle on crow. Shop, hospital, schools. These are the name of places outside our home. So here you will put a circle on garden because house is not a place outside. Sunflower is also not a place, but garden is a place where we go to play. Here we go to study. Here we go when we sick. Here we go when we want to buy something. Now come on, number 5, bicycle, train, aeroplane. These all are means of transport. And here bird, ship, bench. You have to find which is the means of transport here. Ship. So put circle on ship. Now see yellow, purple, green. So what are these? These are name of colors. And we have to find the name of colors here also because we have to circle the word which belongs to these all. Okay. So this is orange. Now come on next. Here I am telling, but you have to take the help of your PDF also. Children, see here some nouns are given, proper nouns are given. I have told you about proper noun and common noun. You are to what you have to do? You have to complete their names from these all common noun. You have to include the common noun with proper noun and you have to complete the name which will become proper noun. See Taj. You have to see this is the picture of Taj Mahal. So we will find where is Mahal? Here. So we will write here Taj Mahal. Next is Rashtrapati and it is Rashtrapati Bhavan. So we will write spelling of Bhavan from here and we will complete it and it will become proper noun because it is a proper name of a Bhavan. That is Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is a fort and its full name is Red Fort. So you will add here fort, then it will become proper noun. And if we simply say fort, it will be common. If we say minar, it will be common minar. But if we add with this minar with Qutub Minar, Qutub, it will become the specific name of a historical building, and it will be Qutub Minar, and it will be proper noun. Now next, dull, D-A-L, dull. It is, see, lake. It is dull lake. Right here lake, it will become proper noun. Now come on next, last one, golden. What is this golden? See, this is temple. If I say temple, the temple will be common noun. But if I tell specific name of the temple, it will be proper noun. So you will add it here, temple, and it will become proper noun now. Fine. Now this is a time to rewrite the following sentences using capital letter where necessary. Children, here you are to, I told you in chapter number 2 of grammar that how will you frame a sentence and which sentence will be the proper sentence. Now we are on C3. Okay. Rewrite the following sentence using capital letters where necessary. Here, Aarti has one sister and two brothers. Here, Aarti is the name of a girl and it is a proper noun. So, we will write A capital Aarti, same sentence, and last full stop. It will become proper sentence. And it is giving you meaning also. So, the first letter of each sentence is capital. See now. The children do not go to school on Sundays. Because Sunday is holiday. Now come here, first letter is capital. No, we will make it capital. Then you will write the children, T capital, and same sentence. And Sunday is the name of a day. It is proper noun, so it will be capital. Any name of the day, first letter will be capital there. Okay, with any name of the day. Remember it. My friends and I like to watch the parade on Republic Day. Here, full stop is given at last, but first letter is not capital. So, we will write here M capital and other words are same, but Republic Day, it is a special day. So, we will write, if we have some special things, we write first letter capital. So, R will be capital. Now, come on number 4. Holi, Christmas and Eid are the favorite festivals of children. Children, here festival names are given. Every festival name is a proper noun and we write first letter capital. Any festival, Diwali, Holi, Dussehra, Christmas, Eid, Holi, any name of the festival, first letter will be capital there. So write H capital, Christmas C capital, Eid E capital, and other words will be same and last full stop. Now next, Mr. and Mrs. Dutt. So Mr. we use before the name of a person. So you will write here M capital as it is the first letter of the sentence. So here also it is a name, Mrs. Dutt. So we will write capital M. Visited Jaipur. Jaipur is the name of a place and that place is specific, special place, special city. So here you will write J capital, the capital of Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is also a name of a place and that is special place. So here we will write for this city name R. Okay, this is the name of the capital. This is the name of a place. We will write here R capital and Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. So this is also the special name given here. So J will be capital. I hope this much is clear to you all and I will send you the PDF to you, and from that PDF you are to write all these things which I have told you. I hope it is clear. Now stay ready for the next video. Till then, bye bye.